Hello everyone and welcome to your new backyard. This is a half-acre property. We spent the last 3 years fully landscaping this entire yard, so we have 7 raised beds here. There are 5 or more water points in this yard. This one here controls. This is the drip irrigation for the greenhouse, and this is the watering hose for the nursery in the greenhouse. This is a 15-meter long polytunnel that has a removable 30% shade cloth on top. It's fully decked out with drip irrigation and has a nursery set up for propagating plants. It has 4 10-meter long grow beds in it. This is our fruit tree alley. So we have a lime, apricot, apple, nectarine, bananas, pomegranate, peach, and fig tree. We've also fitted a trellis all the way down the fence line here. Here we have elderberries and an avocado. Here is your second growing area. This is a 10-meter long shade house with a 30% shade cloth on it. All the beds are 75 centimeters wide and 10 meters long. We have a sand pit here next to us with an asparagus patch and a little garden. This is a potato patch, currently not growing much. The entire boundary has been planted with these trees, which are called tagasasti. They've been grown for privacy, and they also are a fire break. More trees. Behind that shade cloth is the scrapyard. This is a raised bed that would be excellent for planting perennial flowers or medicinal plants. There's another water point here. This is what we call the drying shed. So when you grow garlic or onions or something like that and you need to hang them to dry, you can do it in here. So we've been seeding the lawn in stages. It's seeded with a grass called arid smart grass, which is a non-invasive, drought-tolerant grass species. Got medicinal plants here: yarrow, white sage, comfrey. This area here is called the park. So we have a soccer goal, big slide, and a swing. Again, tagasasti is planted all the way around the boundary. This is an oak tree. Another storage shed. Here we have lots of strawberries and grapes. This is the chicken yard. So this is a deep litter chicken system, which means that you just keep throwing scraps and leaves and branches in, and the chickens scratch it all up, and then when you're ready, you mark it out, you pull it all out. There's an opening here, and you pull it all out, make a big compost pile. We put this compost pile out, but that's what that is there. So you literally just take all the stuff in here, make a pile, and then let it sit, and it will make beautiful compost for you. That's a big line of raspberries right there, rosemary, more lawn. This is the garden shed. That's the water storage for the chickens' water system, which is a pipe on the other side of that wall there, and it's just dust-free water for the chickens. In the garden shed, this is a timber shed. This great building here is our fernery. That's another peach. So this is a steel frame structure with plenty of shade. That's great for plant propagation at that potting table there. And then it's just a beautiful place with beautiful indoor plants. This garden was all designed to be a perfect self-sufficient oasis for a small family. And it's just looking forward to having a new family move in and enjoy the peace of this beautiful place. Enjoy.